What's up, everybody? My name is Max Gaming Channel, and this is the game where your slaves work endlessly, and if they fall asleep one bit, they get slapped with my belt, and a big fat chick up there is screaming to kill me. So this is the game called Swarm Simulator, where apparently you just get better, like this stupid hell person doesn't even know what he's doing and just standing at his hive doing nothing and being lagged right now. Look at this. And you're supposed to get better and better, even in the game, and have balloons float behind you and be the best person in the whole entire server, like me. I have more gifted bees, but he has more leveled up bees, so for this schnitzel. And here's a well where there's honey drops on stuff and whatever. And you can go to certain things, and your bees can defeat a big massive crab with a coconut stuck on its back. And you can also be random black bears and do some stupid quest where you have to collect 12 million pollen from each field. And there are also overpowered quests like this. Collect for 4 hours for fresh nectar. And my spirit bear has given many flipping quests. I'd say many swacking quests, and everything is overpriced. Like this. Why 250 million? Honey, that is overpriced. And by the way, if you collect more honey, you can also just level up your bees, and you can also just spend all your life savings on stupid treats or royal jelly, and you can also get ginger bears. And let's see how many ginger bears I get. I get 2 bears. And you know what happens to them? I now got a 2% chance of a bee turning into a gifted bee. Look at this. Look at this shaky bear. Runs 250 bond. And has 1% chance of turning into a gifted. And I'm always trying to get this really big gift, but it's endless hard, and I've spent all my tickets on brats, as you can see in my inventory. And I'm pretty broke, and I'm also stupid because I didn't save a honey mask instead of this worthless fire mask, but I'm lucky enough to not buying this stupid bubble mask. I mean, why? Let's see how bad it is. I want to see how bad it is. Why do people even say it's so bad? Probably like the OP's thing in the entire world. You just don't want you to be as OP as them. Harness the power of the sea to increase your blue pollen gathering. Hat. 1.5 blue, 15 instant conversion, 1.5 capacity, X2 bubble pollen, 30 plus 30% defense, 50% bee ability, passive bubble bombs. So that's not really that hard bad. That is actually pretty good. And when you're floating, you still gather honey for some reason. As you guys can see, I'm floating. I made a trail. How? You can also defeat rainbow bugs for apparent reason, for 0 reason. And this bug will start attacking you even though your slaves start falling in it. And let's see if you can slap my belt. And you get a big bunch of good stupid stuff. You get 3 royal jellies, 100 blueberries. It's insanely good. And I got a bunch of tickets. As you see, I got 49. I had 49, now I got 54. So I have apparently got a few stuff. And you also got a super black bear, and not like the black bear that I'm talking about over there. I'm talking about this black bear, black tunnel bear that apparently only spawns every day, and a day takes like a year. And as you see, it's pretty black, like no problemo, because it's only level 9 and you can get your beast to level 20. Now let's see what he got for junk. So he got some enzymes. Oh no! And everything collects for you. You never had a chance to see everything you got, but I got enzyme. That's oh my god, I got. Yeah, and then when you get crazy about your gingerbreads, you go crazy. And you can. And at 25 enzymes, I can buy Yelp. And people start writing schnitzel in the chat, like Yelp. And you should write what? And he says, what am I supposed to do in the game? Like I'm a noob, a big fat garbage noob. That he doesn't even know how to collect a hive. Get a hive. Well, and you can waste your stupid tickets on these things, like a puppy bee that only shoots balls around to collect pollen, and a photon bee gets the sun to like use some of his lava to get some pollen. The cat bee somehow scratches from the earth and collecting pollen. Festa bee, absolutely useless, only gives random players gifts and be nice. And you know I slap with my belt on my beat, so I'm not nice. And then we got the crimson bee that shoots lasers out of his butt, same as the cobalt bee. And I don't even know why they're so stupid named. You get a big fat white bear, as me, and I'm its baby bear. And you can eat a big harvest dinner, and it doesn't even go away when you eat it. And you can also blend stuff in the blender. But first you need 5 passes. Like this. Look how good it is. Yeah. You can also spend your money on this stupid stuff, even though I also did that. You can open the blender, blend some stupid stuff. As you can see, you can blend this. A purple potion. Let's see how many I can blend. 50. 5. I can only blend 5 purple potions. And I'm saving up for a goddamn honey mask. Yeah. And when you go behind this stupid thing, you can find absolutely nothing and this. And that's going to be the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe.